Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Wednesday after the release of the FOMC June meeting minutes showed Fed members supporting continued accommodation more than had been previously thought. The greenback ended the day at 1.2975 to the euro and 99.67 to the yen. Today's data includes initial jobless claims, which are expected to show a fall to 340,000, and the monthly budget statement, which is forecast to rise to 40 billion surplus in June. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Wednesday after the minutes from the Fed's most recent rate meeting showed policymakers might not be as close to switching the stimulus tap off as had been expected. The single currency ended the day at 1.2975 to the dollar and 129.25 to the yen. Today's data includes the ECB monthly report, which will give clues as to the outlook for future ECB policy. British pound. The pound rose on Wednesday after the recent sell-off was deemed excessive and following the release of more dovish than expected FOMC minutes. Sterling ended the day at 1.5012 to the dollar and 0.8643 to the euro. Today's data includes commentary from the BOE's arch policy dove, David Miles. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Wednesday after expectations the Fed would cut its QE program early were dealt a blow after the June meeting minutes revealed a more cautious perspective on policy. The Japanese currency ended the day at 99.67 to the dollar and 149.64 to the pound. Today's data includes the BOJ monthly rate meeting, although because no changes in existing policy is expected, its impact is expected to be limited. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.302, with 1.3205 and 1.325 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.302, which will call for 1.29.5 and 1.29.15. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.505 with 1.52 and 1.5235 in sight. The downside penetration of 1.505, which will call for 1.5 and 1.491. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 99.55 with 98.2 and 97.6 as next targets. The upside breakout of 99.55, which will open the way to 100 and 100.45. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.